In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if the item has returns or exchange policy. Knowing this before you buy can save you time, money, and frustration, especially when you're shopping for handmade or customized items. Policies on marketplaces can vary by seller and even by item, so it's important to look in the right place on the product page rather than relying on assumptions. Start by going to Etsy in your web browser. You can use a computer or your phone, whatever you're most comfortable with. Once the homepage loads, find the product you're interested in. You can use the search bar or navigate from your recent views, but the key is to open the individual product listing so you're on the page dedicated to that item. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the item's photos, title, price, and the seller's shop name all in one view. With the item page open, scroll down until you reach the item details section. This is where sellers typically describe materials, sizing, customization options, and what's included. Keep scrolling just below that to find the section labeled Shipping and Return Policies, or sometimes Shipping and Returns, depending on your device. This is the official area that explains whether the seller accepts returns, exchanges, or cancellations for this specific item, and under what conditions. Read this section carefully. Look for whether returns are accepted at all, the time window for initiating a return or exchange, and who pays for return shipping. Many sellers do not accept returns or exchanges on customized or personalized products, so pay close attention if you're adding names, dates, colors, or any special instructions. The listing should clearly state if customized items are final sale. Also check for any condition requirements, like the item needing to be unused in original packaging or sent back within a certain number of days. If the policy mentions a deadline, note whether the clock starts from the delivery date or the order date. Some listings also outline what to do if an item arrives damaged or incorrect, including providing photos or contacting the shop within a set time frame. Even if you've bought from the same shop before, don't assume the policy is identical for every item. Sellers can set different rules per listing. To recap, open Etsy, choose the item you want, and scroll to item details, then to shipping and return policies. Take a moment to read carefully before you purchase, especially for customized pieces. This simple check helps you avoid surprises and shop with confidence.